Hello traders, your favorite FX coach Yvette McCray, the Pipologist, here to bring you the daily forecast analysis for the GBP/USD, the US500, and Bitcoin versus the US dollar. But before I do so, let me go ahead and make my disclaimer that trade ideas are not financial advice nor guarantee, only a view of possibilities. So you agree to use them at your own risk. Past performances is not indicative of any future results. So now, let's get right into it. Starting with the GBP/USD, okay? As always, I like to analyze the chart using my entry time frame, the 30-minute, as well as my trend analysis time frame, which I like to use the 4-hour time frame, which is on the right side of the screen, and my entry chart is on the left side of the screen. So let's talk about what's going on with the GBP/USD for this week, okay? So here at the top of the screen, here at the top of the chart, you see a golden solid colored horizontal line, and near the bottom right here, you can't see it because the price actual level, the price is right now, is kind of hovering over it with a red line, so it's kind of covered, but it's right here. So here's the super low of the week right here, and here's the super high of this week right here. And as you can see, price has been trading it hasn't actually crossed below this high or low. It's been trading sideways since the beginning of this week, okay? However, the overall market, I would say, major trend for this pair is bearish. You see here we have a bearish trend line, okay? But also in conjunction to that, we have our daily super high right here, which is the solid, it's not solid, I'm sorry, the dotted black horizontal line right here, okay? And that's the high of the day, the super high of the day. And then we have the super low of the day, which is right under the super low of the week. So we have this dotted black line right here under the super low of the week, okay? And so this is the super low of the day as well, because that's where the dotted black line is. So if price does not break below this and goes up towards the high of the day, which will be right here, the super high of the day in this area right here, that would be from here, from the top to here, coming back to retest near this trend line. That's a 78.6 retracement from the top of this trend line down here near the super low of the day. So my bias is that this pair will trade in a bullish movement to the upside to test the super high of the day for this new trading day. So the trend for the day, my bias is going to be bullish, okay, for this pair. And so I would look to buy this pair above this price level here. If you look at my 30-minute time frame now, okay, I will look to buy above here, okay? Above 12500 would be a buy for the GU. Anything below 122.50 would be a sell, okay? Let me say it again. I would look to buy above 12500, okay? And that will be just above the super low of the day, which is right here, okay? And this is a small quarter bank number, all right? I would look to sell below 122.50. Okay, and that's right at the super low of the day. That's where I would look to sell below this price level here. So that's the GBP USD. Let's move along to the US 500. Okay, now this pair, as you can see, is trading in an uptrend. Looking at the bigger time frame, the 4-hour, this pair has been trading in a bullish momentum for this week. So we have the super high of this week right here. Price has not been so far able to break below this super high and stay below. So if it can get below this and stay, if it can actually stay, let me slow down. If it can stay below the super high of this week, I will look to sell. Okay, let's see where that is. I will look to sell below the super low of the day, which is this black dotted horizontal line. Okay, the super high of the day is right here, the black dotted solid line. Okay, so I would look to buy above that or sell below it here. All right, so my bias for this pair is that it may come, oh boy, hold on, I think I messed something up here with this. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so let me start over with this US 500 to make sure I'm very clear as to what I'm saying, as to what's going on with this pair for the week, okay? Right here, this solid golden horizontal line is the super high of the week, okay? Price has closed below that, all right? It's closed below that, all right? That's an indication that the market wants to continue down, but because this is a bullish, okay? Overall, it's a bullish month for this pair, as price has been above the it has been above the super high of the month, which is right here, okay? Right where this 800 moving average is. This is the super high of the month, all right? And so price is still above it. So this is a bullish momentum for the whole month of August right now. So this pair actually needs to get below, okay? It needs to get below the super high here to actually become bearish, all right, for a long term. But not that it can't, tread to the downside for a, temporary period, which I believe it's wanting to do, go back down and test the super low of this month, all right, which will be somewhere right here, where this green horizontal line is, which is a 78.6 retracement from the bullish side of this pair, all right? So this pair again is trading in a bullish momentum. Now we got the high here, the super high, and the super low is here, all right, for this week. So my bias is that this pair will go back down to test the low of the week, which is somewhere near here, all right? However, today's high is right here. Today's super high is right here. This is the dotted black horizontal line. And the super low of today is right here. Okay? Now, price may come down to test this super low right here, right? And then go back up to test the super high. So, my bias is that this pair will trade in a bullish momentum for today, all right? For today, right? So my bias is to buy, okay, once price closes above this area right here, which will be 42.7750. Above 42.7750, I will take a buy, okay? I will take a buy above there, right? And my take profit will be 43.08. 43.08, I will take profit for the buy. Now, below 42.51.18, I will sell. Below 42.51.18, I will sell this pair, right? Now, to sell it, actually, I'm sorry. I will sell this pair if it gets below 42.62.54. 42.62.54, I would sell this. Once it gets below that, I would sell. Scratch what I said previously. So I wanted to get below the minor low of today, which is this aqua dotted horizontal line. So over here, that's 42.62.54. I will sell this pair. All right. I will buy above the minor high of today, which is 42.7750. Above there, I will buy. Okay. Above there, I will buy. All right, so let's move along to Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing for the week? So here is the super high and the super low of the week. We have the golden horizontal solid lines. The top here, the bottom here, okay? This pair is consolidating, all right? It's consolidating, but overall, the major trend has been bullish, okay? Because here is the minor high and low of the month. That's the dotted pink horizontal line. The dotted pink horizontal line. Price has not closed below that, so we're consolidating, y'all, okay? However, the major move on this is still relatively bullish, and you can see price has come right here near this moving average. Now, conversely enough, you see here this black dotted horizontal line, which is the super low of the day. This is the super low of the day. So price tends to go from the low of the day back to the high of the day to retest. So my bias on this pair, it will be bullish for today's day. Okay, so all the scalpers, you can capitalize off this retest to the upside, okay, near the super high of the day. So I would take it once price crosses above 2356.401, 2356.01, I will buy, and I will take that buy all the way up to this level right here. I already marked it off. This is a 78.6 retracement level, and that is at 2417.096. 2417.096. So this is what I would do for today. I would buy this for today. Now, if price happens to not go that way, I would sell below, okay, I would sell below 2314.484. 2314.484. I will sell below that, but I will look to enter, okay, once price closes below 23226.69, and that will be an aggressive entry. So this is my bias and my analysis for the GU, US500, and BTCUSD. Okay, I have placed the new daily super highs, super lows, minor highs, and minor highs in the chat for you to plot on your charts. I will see everybody in the AM during the New York session. Happy trading. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and trade with proper risk management. Have a great evening.